RDMS.
Yeah, now I feel it, pressure. So as you can see, we are sending what is necessary.
Yo, what's good guys, it's your boy Polo and we're back with another video. In today's video we're gonna be doing a DIY rim half refurb because you're not refurbing the whole rim. Yeah, we just respraying just to give it a different look, and it's just for the vibes, you know, it's just for the vibes. So yeah, thank you to Kiana Mudra. His Instagram is in the description for allowing me to help him. I only helped him so I can make a video. That's the only reason why I helped him. So yeah, thank you to him. That's so kind. Yeah, he's doing the rum respray / refurb. I'm there helping him. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe and share the video. Share the channel with your peoples. We're growing. Also another thing, major shout out, I got a lot of love on the previous videos. I'm gonna pop up the people that commented. Yeah, 1 2 3 4 5, I don't know how many people. It was quite a bit, I'm not gonna lie. So yeah, shout out to you guys. Keep up the comments and maybe I'll give your shout outs in the next video. Yeah, and also I'd appreciate it if you give me a like, not a like, a follow on Instagram and both my TikTok pages. So without further ado, let's get into the video.
Yeah, when it started 400, bro.
Alright.
1,002.
Yes,
And you flat it, yeah.
thank you. Let's go. Just have to use half. Gotta use it very sparingly. There's no money for most in paper.
We can't afford.
Do you not have the money?
We can't afford. We don't have money.
So as you can see, we are sending the part that's necessary. Where's the cards, bruh?
Where's the?
The cards.
Oh shit. I must. I have to take the one from upstairs.
What cards?
The playing card.
Are you gonna replace them?
Yeah.
You have no choice but to. Okay, so he's doing this one. I must do this one. So I'm gonna get started on that. But I'm gonna time lapse it.
So yeah, guys, we are busy. What is this thing called now? We're preparing. covered like right now.
They are like majority of it's covered, bro.
Yeah, it's sharp, bro. Now when the camera live will now.
Now you mustn't pass up, bro. Hey, wait, let me.
Are you ready?
I'm recording. I'm recording.
Yeah, fuck off. Yeah. Don't fuck. Not so good.
Guys, so this is how the passenger side looks like. Done masking, done spraying.
I was now gonna say, at least on camera you won't be able to see all the stuff.
You
Are
can't.
you going close to it?
Yeah, but you can't though, you can't. Even on this one, from far, you can see where you did mess up, bruh. But Mudra is gonna fix that because he did spray too close. But it looks nah though. Yay. That side compared to that side. Yeah. So this is the reason why we spring. Oh, I'm just helping for content purposes. But all of the rims, this bra, he jump cups one way, he off-road this car, he drive over pavements, he gibella pavements. That's why there's a lot of curb rash. Every time his wheel alignment goes out, he just slide a pavement to make it straight again. But guys, in the comments, please can you tell Mudra to fix his lights? He must clean his lights, please. And this is not a gun, this is a tripod. But this is the difference. So us, we're gonna go and mask the other side so we can start spraying. Yeah. So guys, before I maybe die, I'm gonna show you the difference in the color. Fast chop quickly. That is a difference in color. Is that lighter?
Oh.
That's light enough, ne? It's giving. It's giving. Yeah. So I'm gonna spray this wheel. Because why not? Yeah.
And just in case, ne, to get this on video, that's the one wheel is sprayed. If that wheel is fucked up, ne, then you'll all know. He is responsible for that one wheel.
Okay, but just fix the inside for me, please. They were a brake caliper, bro. I don't know what car can it catch on there. I told us, bro, let's take the wheels off, but you don't want to take them off. But it's fine.
You don't need to, bro.
You do.
You
Where? No, bro, you must put it now. That's why I said you must put it for me. Yes, bro, I don't want to listen. I said let's take it, the rims off. Okay, but other than that, I did wrap the tire now. No? I mean, guys, look at it. I'll even make a sustained tire coloring. Perfect. Okay, but I want to come back when I start painting. I want to show you. Let me start shaking my can. Yeah, now I feel that pressure.
So you know what you do? Spray it like right around there. Then you spray each. You spray each spoke on its own.
Yeah.
Make sure the paint is covering there.
But I'm spraying, I'm spraying 2 coats. All about an angle. Just let it dry.
No.
So tell the viewers, why are you spray painting another rim that you already put clear coat over? The fuck?
Because I fucked it up. I have realized
This is
an accident.
I realized that this is an accident.
Gotta bring tape there. Close the door. Yeah. So there's clear coat on there. This is the clear coat. That's bottom top. Okay, you see there's glitter inside. Yeah. Okay, that just looks like black dots. And that just looks like silver dots. But you'll have to see the color when it's on the car. So as we wait and see. Looks now for a phone, bro.
No.
Can you see my ram? Can you see how it's shining compared to yours? Yours looks black. Mine is shining and there's no clear coat. We must stand here.
Now why must you stand there?
Okay, but I look at the difference. My wheel, Kiana's wheel. My wheel, Kiana's wheel.
Stuff is same.
It's not, bruh.
Okay, bro.
Mine is better. Let us know in the comments which one is better. 1 or 2. Mine or his.
It's the same.
Okay, we'll wait for this. You paying them.
So guys, we must come and take this one off. But we took this one off. Yeah, brown camera. Yo. Okay. Please be my videographer there. Camera like that. Yes, just like that.
So this was our. This was my DIY wrapping, but unfortunately, it didn't work out. So we gotta remove it, guys. Just gotta remove it. The splinters it up.
Yeah, just look at. Okay, hold you up, please. Thank you. See how it shine. Now this is what you do quickly. A good looking one must go in a good looking way. Yeah, ne? Looking sexy banana. Sisi nana.
So it's come to the time of the day, people. Thanks for watching. If you made it so far, please make sure to leave a fire emoji in the comment section, just so I can know, like, you know, some of you will actually watch the full videos. But yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share the video, share the channel. Let's grow. We are on the way to 2,000 subscribers. Oh yes. I never ever thought I would say that. But anyways, yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe once again. Give me a follow on the gram and on both my TikTok accounts at Saint Visuals and at Builder Saint. Pieces, thank you, and danko, please.